CTF. Cooking, travel, food.
Welcome to the CTF channel, guys. Thank you very much to the Green Nature Diamond for allowing me access before the customers arrive into the dining area. Today I'm going to show you the lunchtime menu. So here we are, guys. As usual, the Turkish hotels cater for all kinds of bread. So we'll start from here and I'll show you what varieties they have. All different kinds, different styles, different tastes, from wholemeal to seeded to white bread to brown bread. This section here is the soup. Now today's soup is the noodle soup there. You get your lemon, you get your cheese, your croutons are there, your butter, and all the spices if you need to make them spicier, because some nations like it spicy. And we've got some more herbs here like coriander, capsicums, red tomatoes, onions. I'm not sure what that is, but there you go, that's the soup. And this one is vegetable soup on this side. So on this side we've got the meat sizzling away, grilled chicken breast over here, and over here we have the grilled fish. We'll just have a nosy through these. We've got some boiled rice, and oh, look at these beautiful grilled chicken breasts, absolutely marvellous. Wow, grilled tomatoes, grilled onions, grilled peppers. And in this one we've got the grilled fish. Amazing. Wow. Green beans with sauce and a slice of lemon on top. Looks amazing. This is the hotel, guys. You need to come to Green Nature Diamond. Potatoes in the oven, what we call roast potatoes. Broccoli with minced meat and peppers and tomatoes. Have I got that one wrong? No. And this one is pasta with the sauce available too. You got your regular French fries with beef sautéed. As you can see, I bet that looks amazing. It's got some chilies in there too, tomatoes, onions, beef, and that's the title of it, beef sautéed. Here you've got roast pastry. Not sure what that tastes like, I've never had that one. And over here, this guy here is making, what are you making, sir? What are you making?
Chili sauce chicken.
Oh, chicken with angle sweet sauce. Wow, that looks tasty, that. Amazing. Chicken with angle sweet sauce. Wow. And this guy's making it fresh. This is some boiled vegetables, cauliflower. So we'll move on. Bear in mind, ladies and gentlemen, this is the lunchtime menu. This is green beans. This one is pasta. And here we've got some broccoli and pasta. And we've got some chicken nuggets for those of you that like chicken nuggets. And over here, that's an empty one. And we'll move over to this section here. Here they make the fresh pides here. The chap over the side is making fresh pides. Marhaba! How are you? Good, welcome to CTF channel on YouTube. From England, UK. Yeah, from UK. This is for my YouTube channel, CTF, Cooking Travel Food. So you will be on there, famous. So the chap's putting mozzarella, is it mozzarella cheese?
Beef.
Beef, or beef and cheese, and you're going to make it in there in the oven. You can see. Teşekkür ederim. YouTube. On this section, you've got your cold salads, your cheeses, your sauces. Chicken salad with walnut, that one. That one's hot pepper appetizer with yogurt. There are your cheeses. This one's interesting. Stuffed cucumber. Take a look at that. Haricot bean salad. Stuffed onions. Stuffed zucchini with olive oil. Normal coleslaw. Mashed chickpeas with tahini. Tomato rattato. I believe it's stuffed with cheese, I think. I can just see the cheese on the side there. Fried peppers. And you've got this is called manti. Manti. Must be mixed vegetables with some sort of mayonnaise and that. Cabbage salad. Chicken baguette in the oven. But it's not chicken baguette. It's just chicken drumsticks. But that's what they call it anyway. Chicken drumsticks with some sort of black seeds on them. You've got some more sliced chicken breast there. Some fava. Stuffed peppers with oil. Pink sultan. Italian salad. Fried eggplant. Carrot fries and hot spicy dip. In this section we have the regular salads, the coleslaws, the raw leaves for them that like the raw stuff, tomatoes and some sort of leaf. That's got mayonnaise in it. Another salad there, some green chilies. I've had them before, but they're not very spicy here, they're not hot. You can eat them raw, for them that are brave enough. Now, cucumber and tomatoes there, some onions, some tomato and onions, some cucumber, just tomatoes. They grow tomatoes here and they're massive here. That's the pickled tomatoes, the pickled chilies, some more chilies there, some courgettes. Is that how you say it? Courgettes, pickled courgettes, mayonnaise, some ketchup, some beetroot, loads of olives, all different varieties of olives there. And all the sauces, yogurts. This section, you've got your fruits, your regular apples, look like Granny Smiths, but they're not Granny Smiths. They're green apples, but watermelon, some Turkish pear, watermelon, some golden delicious, some more pear, some red apples, a different variety of pear there. And these are small, like crab, what we call crab apples in the UK. Some more golden delicious apples. This is the dessert section. Just bear in mind, ladies and gentlemen, this is only the lunchtime selection. Just remember, at lunchtime there's not that much here, but there's still quantity. There's plenty of choice to choose from. I'm showing you this, and a bit later on in the program I'm going to show you the evening dinner, which you've got a lot more choice. I mean, this is like this at lunchtime because there's a snack bar by the pool which has quite a lot of food, which I'll be showing you on the next vlog or next few vlogs. These, by the way, are a milky dessert, milk and rice, I believe. They look delicious. Not tried them. I'm not really a dessert person or a cake person, but for those of you that like cake, there's lots to choose from. Lots. There are your baklavas. They're really sweet. They have honey and sugar and nuts and all sorts in them. And you've got all these here. And this side you're going to have all your soft drinks from this machine. Orange, pineapple, water, sour cherry. Actually they're not bad, I've tried them. I usually get cappuccino from here and it's not too bad. Made by Cafe Salvador. Very, very clean place. Highly recommended to try the Green Nature Diamond. The Green Nature Resort is also good, but this is the flagship, as you can see. It's quiet now because it's only just open, so people are just coming in. Plus there's a poolside bar. You come in the evening and you can't move in here, it's that busy. But I'm just showing you, well, it's just started. And over this section here, this is your bar area. They get your orange juice, whatever, soft drinks, alcoholic drinks, they're all here, all from this bar.